Hello YouTube, this is Caro with Caro and Sebas Crypto. I know we changed the name, but I feel like it's better because it's not as long. Okay, let's get to the video. Solana network is growing fast and is known for allowing the community to truly experience what a next generation platform feels like. Solana is said to have faster transactions and cheaper gas prices than Ethereum. Solana is adding more and more into the blockchain, and one of those things are SolPunks, which are NFTs or non-fundable tokens with a digital certificate of authenticity, making each piece original and unique. As Solana grows, the SolPunks will become more and more popular, just like CryptoPunks did with Ethereum. SolPunks are probably going to increase in value. The excitement of buying them is that you will never know what you will get until the transaction is complete. And trust me, it gets very addictive. On their website, they believe in fairness and the purchase is made on a random basis, giving everyone the chance to get a different SolPunk. In this video, I will demonstrate how to purchase a SolPunk. Alright you guys, so I'm going to start this tutorial by saying that we're going to pretend like we already have purchased Solana. If you don't know how to do it, I will leave a description, a link on the description below for you to watch this video before you buy your SolPunks. Alright, so let's get to it. So the first thing I do, I get into my Google Chrome. This browser works better on my phone when it comes to getting into my wallet. Getting into my Solana wallet, I'm going to put my seed phrase and accept. Since I'm not changing my password, I'm going to do is click next. And I put restore in case I just recently bought tokens and it's not updating. From here, I'm going to go and copy my address. Now go back into the browser and put solpunks.com. Once I'm here, I'm going to go into get SolPunks. Then view a provider, we're going to select the first one and then connect my wallet. And connect. Close that tab and open your SolPunks tab and put buy SolPunks. Here we're gonna change to another tab, which is gonna open in your browser, and you're gonna click accept. Then go back into the SolPunks tab and wait until it loads. If you want to make sure that your transaction was successful, just go into your transaction link, and in here you will say that it will say successful. Go back into your SolPunks tab and click My SolPunks. In the search bar, you're going to put that address that we copied at the beginning of the tutorial. But if we didn't copy, I'm going to show you here how to do it. So open drop down menu, receive, copy the address of your wallet, then go back into the SolPunk website and paste the address here. Search. And that's it. Just like that, guys, now you have your new SolPunk. As you can see, now I'm trying to collect some of them, and I love every time I get surprised and I get something that I really want. Okay, you guys, we got to the end of the video. If you have any questions, please let me know. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, you guys, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.